Fasting is when you choose not to eat for a specific period. It's an ancient practice with a long history across cultures and religions. Today, people fast for various reasons, including weight loss and health benefits. Modern science has shown that fasting can help with metabolic health and promote longevity. Fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss as it helps to reduce calorie intake and can improve metabolic rate. However, fasting is a serious undertaking and can lead to fatigue and dizziness if not done properly. Consulting with a healthcare professional before starting a fast is crucial to ensure it is safe for you. This essay will explore a 76-hour fast, delving into the physiological changes and mental challenges faced. When you first stop eating, your body uses the food you recently ate. Glucose from carbohydrates powers your cells for the first few hours. After about 6 to 8 hours, glucose runs out and your body turns to stored sugar, glycogen. Glycogen is mainly kept in your liver and muscles. During this time you will likely start to feel hungry and might feel irritable or tired. Your body begins to make small, subtle changes to conserve energy. Your metabolic rate might begin to slow down just a bit. This adjustment phase is crucial for aiding in weight loss. As you move past the first 24 hours, your body begins to undergo significant changes. Your glycogen stores, which are the primary source of quick energy, are now running low. This can make you feel tired and low on energy. In response, your body urgently needs a new source of fuel and starts to turn to stored body fat. This is a crucial shift in your metabolism. This process of burning fat for fuel is called ketosis. It's a natural metabolic state where your body starts to break down fats into ketones. Your liver plays a key role in this process by breaking down stored fats and producing ketones, which are then used as an alternative energy source. Ketones are an alternative type of fuel for your brain and muscles, helping to maintain your energy levels and cognitive function. Energy levels might feel unpredictable during this transition. Some people feel tired, while others experience a surge in mental clarity and focus. Interestingly, hunger might decrease as ketones can suppress appetite, making it easier to manage food intake. This shift to fat burning can lead to noticeable weight loss, as your body efficiently uses stored fat for energy. You might notice signs of ketosis like a change in breath, often described as fruity or metallic, or a distinct taste in your mouth. These are all indicators that your body is adapting to this new metabolic state, signaling a shift towards fat burning for energy and potential weight loss. Crossing the 72-hour mark, your body is deep into ketosis. Ketone bodies become a primary fuel source for your brain. Some individuals report heightened focus and improved mental clarity. However, this is not a universal experience. Some might experience brain fog or difficulty concentrating. Dehydration can worsen these feelings and headaches are possible. During prolonged fasting, cellular repair processes like autophagy increase. This is like a cellular cleanup crew, removing and recycling damaged parts. It's important to remember the body is also under significant stress. This is why such fasts require careful consideration, especially for those aiming for weight loss. Reaching 76 hours without food is a significant challenge. It requires immense willpower and mental strength. However, it is not without risks. The body undergoes several changes when deprived of food, especially for weight loss. Prolonged fasting can lead to electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, and nutrient deficiencies. Muscle cramps, dizziness, and fainting can occur. These symptoms signal stress and need immediate attention. Before attempting a 76-hour fast for weight loss, consult your doctor. Professional medical advice is essential. In this chapter, we will explore what happens to your body during a 72-hour fast, with a focus on weight loss. The body undergoes several stages of fasting, starting with the depletion of glycogen stores, followed by the shift to fat burning, and eventually entering a state of ketosis. During this time, you may experience symptoms such as hunger pangs, fatigue, and brain fog. However, some people report increased mental clarity and focus. To better understand these stages, let's walk through a hypothetical 72-hour fast with a focus on weight loss. 0. 12 hours. Your body is still using energy from your last meal. You might feel a bit hungry, but generally you're functioning normally. 12. 24 hours. Glycogen stores in your liver and muscles begin to deplete. Hunger pangs intensify, and you might feel a bit sluggish. 24. 48 hours. Your body starts to shift to fat burning, which is crucial for weight loss. You might experience brain fog, but some people report a sense of mental clarity and focus at this stage. It's crucial to stay hydrated. 48-72 hours ketosis begins, accelerating fat loss. Your body is now primarily using fat for energy, aiding in weight loss. You might feel a mixture of fatigue and heightened mental clarity. Throughout this journey, it's important to listen to your body. If you experience severe symptoms like dizziness, fainting, or heart palpitations, it's crucial to break your fast and seek medical attention. Remember, fasting is not for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare professional before attempting an extended fast. Your health and safety should always come first. End of script.